Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So I just got this 2008 ACURA RDX and it's doing this weird swaying whenever you're taking high-speed turns or it feels a groove on the road. The car kind of starts tilting and then you can't stop it. It just kind of does this. Does a lot of that, right? So I got under the suspension, I checked out the bushings, they all look pretty good. Everything looked pretty solid other than the end links on the sway bars. So I looked it up and it says that it can't contribute to it. It also has a weird clunk going over bumps, so that's probably it as well. And it needs a little bit of an alignment, so I figured it'd be a good time to swap these out anyways. So I just went and got some cheapo Duralast ones for right now. Hopefully it fixes the problems. I just wanted to get it quick because this is going to be the daily since the 335 Xi is broken. Yeah, well, the parts arrived for it for me to finally get it fixed the proper way it should be. I need to get this car running, so we went and got those parts. I'm gonna show you guys how to install it real quick. Let's go. So first things first, get your car lifted up whichever way you like, and then I got the wheel removed. It was a size 19 for this model. And then once you got the wheel removed, you can see the sway bar end link right here. So it's just 2 bolts, one and one back here in the back. So it shouldn't be too hard. I'm probably just gonna use my low impact and see where it takes us. Got it out, you guys. So that's the top one. I'm not gonna worry too much about pulling it out at the moment because I know I gotta lift it from the bottom. So next we're gonna try to get that bottom one out. I'm not gonna be able to fit the impact under there, so it'll be the same process. Get a 19 and then yeah. So we're gonna take this. Yeah. Alright, cool. So I got the nut removed on the bottom one and the top one. You're not going to be able to pull it out. It should be pretty stiff. What you got to do is put pressure on the hub upwards. Normally what you can do is stick a jack underneath the arm right here and then start to lower the car. The jack will put pressure and bring the hub upwards, and then you can pop out this end link. See how easy that was? And then for the bottom one, I still got the 2. Pretty much fell out by itself. We'll compare these in a second, show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so here's the old one. As you can see, the gaskets are all ripped on them. Yeah, a ton of dirt got in there, so that's probably what's causing most of the squeaking, right? And then not just that, these can move pretty easily. Like, it doesn't take a whole lot of force to move them around, whereas the new ones, they're a little bit stiffer, but they still feel nice and smooth. These don't have any rips whatsoever. I'm the one kind of getting it dirty with these dirty hands, but these should fix our problem. So all we're gonna do is put it back exactly the way we took it out, like this, tighten the bolts, and that's pretty much it. So these are the new bolts applied. I'm gonna go ahead and use these. I was gonna use OEM ones, but might be a little dirty and mess up the threads, or they might not be the same threads. So I'm just gonna use the supplied ones. It also has that blue thread lock on the top, which kind of just helps it stay on there a little bit better. So these are hand tight. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten them all the way up before I actually drop the suspension, just so we don't have any issues. All right, just a warning, on the new sway bar end links, it doesn't have a end where you can stick a nut, or doesn't have a side where you can stick a wrench to hold it and tighten it. It's got this Torx here, so you'll need a T40 that'll go inside of here, and then from there you'll be able to tighten this with a wrench. So just a heads up if you guys are confused about how to tighten it and you're using the same one as me, the Duralast sway bar end links. So yeah, all right you guys, so we got it in, top, bottom. At this point you can lower your hub slowly. And you're pretty much done. It really only has 2 bolts, not a whole lot of work. From here, all I'm gonna do is put the wheel back on and do the other side. You guys can stick around and watch the time lapse. And after that, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how the car drives, see if it made a difference, let you guys know if it was worth it. I paid about 25 bucks a piece for them. I know you can get them for 35 for both if you wait online. I just didn't want to wait, but I'll let you guys know if it's worth it, if it made any difference in the car. When I was doing my research, I found mixed videos of people saying that it would make a big difference and others saying that it didn't really make a difference. So I'll let you guys know, see what I think, and yeah, watch me finish this job.